Have you got a Toyota Auris and you need to change the wing mirror indicator, because these always crack, as you can see. So I've got this aftermarket one. Obviously when I bought it I gave them the reg, made sure it's the correct one. So what you do is gently pry from around here. Obviously try and use a trim removal tool if you can, but if you haven't, just gently tug all the way around. I've slightly loosened this already just to give an idea, but literally it's very tight. It hangs in there. You can see from the tabs there, there's tabs at the 3 tabs at the bottom, 4 tabs actually, so you have to be quite careful as you move it. And then there it is. So all you do is unscrew these. Those are a T9, so you need to get a T9 hex screw. What I normally do is, before loosening, you untighten this, just press that button. So that was a bit tight, so I had to really push that in and then pull it like that, so it can jam a little bit, so be careful. So I'm just going to undo these screws. One there, one there, one there, and that should come off. Now I've taken those 3 screws, there they are, just got to put the new one on now. So it's a case of taking that off like so. And just marry up that, make sure. Okay, so I've just done the first screw, and just to make sure it works, just put that in now. Okay, now I'm going to put the indicator on to make sure it's working. So I've connected it up and it's working, as you can see. Fantastic. So I'll just get on and put these 2 screws back on, and then that'll be that. Okay, so the final bit is just to put this back on, so do that now. Flick it all in place. Just make sure it's all nice and all on the joints. Yep, there you have it, all done. So all you need is your pair of hands, or maybe a trim removal tool if you need, and a T9 hex screw, and that's it. Hope that helped everyone. Do like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.